Hey, what's up everyone? So Jio has launched its Jio Cloud Gaming Services in India, and I have tried it, I have tested it, and I am here to give a kind of review and feedback of it. So let's get started with the video. So if you follow the tech industry and gaming industry, then you know that Jio has rolled out the beta testing of its Jio Cloud services, or Jio Cloud Gaming Services I should say. And for that you have to have a device which is connected to the internet. It doesn't matter it is a smartphone or tablet or your laptop or computer. You have to have a device which is connected to the internet, and after that you will have a strong internet connection. You need to have a strong internet connection. Jio suggests having an internet connection of around 20 mbps or a 5G connection or a Wi-Fi, a 5 GHz Wi-Fi, not the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but I will talk about it later in this part of the video, so don't miss the full video. Then after that, what you have to do, you have to download the Jio Gaming app or Jio Games app from the Play Store. You have to register your number. It doesn't matter you have a Jio number or BSNL or Airtel or Vodafone number. It works with every number. So you have to register with that. You have to create your profile, and there is a taskbar, and in the taskbar you have to find that tab named as Cloud. Click on that and you will find the games, and whichever game you want to play, just click on that game and click on play. That's it. That's the way of playing cloud games on Jio Games app. Now let's talk about the pricing and plans of the Jio Cloud Gaming Services. And there are no plans, no pricing, because it is in beta testing, so it is free for everyone. Everyone can play these games for free. As I said, you have to just register and create profile, and you are good to go. So there are no official pricings yet, but as we all know that these cloud gamings are expensive, servers are expensive. So when Jio will fully roll out its cloud gaming services, there will be introduction of plans and pricings. And as you know that Motabhai's strategy, first Jio gave data to everyone for free, then introduced introductory plans, and then increased the plan prices. So that's how the strategy will work with the Jio Cloud Gaming Services, as far as I think and I know about the history of Jio. So I think that is going to happen. Now let's talk about the games library. And as I have seen, there are not a lot of games. There are around 50 to 60 games in the games library, and most of them are not very recognizable games or not AAA kind of titles. The only recognizable and AAA kind of title games are found are Saints Row 3 and Saints Row 4. Those were the very famous game, I should say. Apart from that, there are some simple games, but as I said, it is in beta testing, so they are just testing it out, and hopefully in the future when they roll out it fully, there will be expansion of game libraries, and they will have to expand the game library, otherwise they won't be successful in the cloud gaming industry. And apart from that, there are some rumors that Jio will be partnering with Nvidia to bring the Nvidia GeForce Now games in the Jio Cloud Gaming. That's a very good thing. The Nvidia GeForce Now game library is very big, so I hope that deals happens, and there is need of Jio to acquire different games. I'm not saying acquire, to have partnership with different game studios and publishers to bring other games like the GTA games, the NBA games, and God of War and other games to the library. So there is a need of, and I think considering the potential market of cloud gaming, Jio will do it. So as I said, I have tested and tried the Jio Cloud Gaming Service. So here is my review and kind of feedback. First thing I noticed is that obviously the game library is very small, and I have played some games, like I played the Saints Row 3 and Saints Row 4 only, and I have seen that there are very limited number of servers, because I tried playing other games but the server was crowded. So I think the servers are very less. I guess there are servers only in Mumbai and there are very few servers. So I think there is a need of expansion of servers, and I know that, and everyone knows that it is going to happen. There will be expansion of servers. So first thing I noticed this, that there is a need of expansion of services or servers, I should say. Then after that, gameplay, I should say, as I said you in the earlier part of the video, that Jio has suggested having a 5G internet connection or 5G Wi-Fi with 20 Mbps internet connection. But I can say that even on the lower internet speeds it runs very smoothly. I played at 1080p. I cannot tell you the exact fps of the games, but I played at 1080p and I played on Jio 4G internet, and I do not live in a big city, I live in a small town, so according to that the game was running very smooth. I should say there was no jitter. Actually I found some frame drops here and there, but it it did not ruin the experience of playing game, I should say, and it was running at 1080p, so that was a really great thing. Because I have tried playing Nvidia GeForce Now earlier with the help of VPN and all that stuff, but the gameplay wasn't that smooth, or the streaming quality was not that great. But Jio Gaming or Cloud Gaming Service was, I should say, in terms of quality, streaming quality and FPS, it was really great, I should say. Next, let's talk about the controls. So as like all other cloud gaming services, Jio Cloud Gaming Service also uses the Xbox style controller, but however I did not like the controller, I should say, placement or keys placement and the overall layout of the gamepad. If you are playing on smartphone, I am talking about that. If you are playing on laptop, then there is no issue, you can play with your keyboard, but the on-screen layout of the gamepad is not that great, I should say. If you have played Nvidia GeForce Now, you know what I'm talking about. The gamepad layout of the Nvidia GeForce Now is very much far refined compared to the Jio Cloud Gaming, so I think there is a need of refinement of on-screen controls. Next, there was input lag and latency also, and it is obvious because there are very less servers and the internet connection is not that great, so it is going to happen. But with the expansion of 5G towers all over the India and with the expansion of servers, the problem will actually going to fix, so hopeful for that. And apart from that, it is, I should say that it is a big step in the cloud gaming industry, because as you know, Google started its Stadia services, but soon it has closed its services. But I think that this Jio Cloud Gaming Service is a big step in the specifically Indian gaming industry. So I guess it is the future, and it is a big breakthrough to the cloud gaming industry in India. And we all know that the cloud gaming industry is very big and it is the future, but there are some problems with the cloud gaming industry, and if you want to know why, just click on this video and you will know it.